Hello and welcome to Life Lessons channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about enterprise resource planning, which is also known as ERP. So in today's video we'll be talking about what an ERP system is, why do we need an ERP system, and what should we do in order to implement a successful ERP system. So we will have introduction to ERP system, we will see the key decisions a CIO has to make in order to implement a successful ERP system and the challenges in implementing an ERP system, and lastly we will be looking at the real-life examples of success and fail stories of ERP implementations. Stay tuned, I hope you like the video. ERP is a comprehensive software solution designed to integrate and centralize the management of core business processes across an organization. These processes typically include finance, human resource, supply chain management, manufacturing, procurement, customer relationship management, and more. But why do we need ERP anyways? To streamline operations. ERP simplifies workflows by automating repetitive tasks, reducing redundancies, and ensuring all departments operate on the same platform. To improve efficiency. With real-time access to accurate data, employees and managers can make quicker and more informed decisions. To enhance decision-making, ERP systems provide dashboards, analytics, and reporting tools that empower stakeholders to identify trends, optimize processes, and anticipate challenges. For digital transformation. In today's digital age, organizations must adopt tools that modernize and automate their processes to stay competitive. ERP acts as cornerstone for digital transformation initiatives by integrating cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. For competitive advantage. By offering real-time insights, ERP systems enable businesses to respond swiftly to market change, manage resources more effectively, and innovate faster than competitors. So if you're a CIO of an organization who doesn't use ERP yet, you might want to consider implementing an ERP system for the reasons we mentioned just now. Welcome back. We finished the first part of the video, which is the introduction, and now we're going to the second part of the video, which is the key decisions a CIO has to make when implementing an ERP system. Stay tuned. Key decision for CIOs in ERP implementation. 1. Choosing the right ERP system. Your first decision as a CIO will be choosing between on-premise versus cloud ERP. On-premise ERP is an ERP system that is hosted locally on an organization's server and managed internally. While they are suitable to have greater control over customization, system updates, and for industries with strict regulations or data sensitivity concerns, they require a higher upfront investment for hardware, software, and installation. Not only that, but they also need ongoing maintenance, IT support, and dedicated resources for updates and troubleshooting. Cloud ERP, on the other hand, is an ERP system that is hosted on the vendor's server and accessed over the internet. They have lower upfront costs as there is no need to purchase and maintain physical servers and are highly scalable, but they are dependent on internet connectivity, which may lead to downtime in case of outages and may have limitations in customization compared to on-premise systems. They also have potential concerns over data security, as data is stored off-site. 2. Budgeting and cost management. The second key decision would be on the cost planning. ERP has predominantly two types of costs. One is total cost of ownership, which accounts to costs related to licensing, system implementation, employee training, ongoing maintenance, and periodic upgrades. And 2 is the hidden cost, which include customization of the software to meet specific business needs, migration of data from legacy systems to the new ERP system, and downtime during implementation, which can disrupt business operations. The third decision would be implementation strategy. This decision includes choosing between phased versus Big Bang approach and agile versus waterfall methodology. Phased versus Big Bang approach. Phased approach is when we roll out models gradually, reducing risks and allowing employees to adapt over time. However, this approach takes longer time to implement. On the other hand, Big Bang approach deploys all modules at once for faster implementation, but this carries higher risks if errors occur. Agile versus waterfall methodology. Agile methodology is one that involves iterative development with flexibility for changes based on user feedback. It promotes collaboration but requires a high level of coordination. On the other hand, waterfall methodology is a linear, plan-driven approach where each phase is completed before moving to the next. It is more structured but less adaptable to change. Now, moving on to the third part of the video, we will be talking about challenges in ERP implementation. The challenges in ERP include poor planning. Lack of clear objectives and requirements often leads to misaligned expectations and project delays. Insufficient preparation for data migration, change management, and user training can result in inefficiencies and low adoption rates. Unrealistic timelines. Overly ambitious schedules can lead to rushed implementations, skipping critical steps like testing and quality assurance. This increases the likelihood of errors and system failures post-implementation. Lack of stakeholder engagement. Failure to involve key stakeholders such as department heads and end users can result in resistance to change and a lack of ownership. Without stakeholder buy-in, the system may not align with actual business needs, reducing its effectiveness. So here's the thing, 60% of ERP systems fail to meet their business needs. 75% of them fail due to exceeding their budget limits, and 57% of them takes longer time than expected. So, as a CIO, we should not underestimate the need for a meticulous planning, a realistic timeline, and engaging stakeholders. So, in order to grasp the concept well, we look at real-life examples of success story and fail stories of ERP implementation. First, let's see Nike's success story. Nike initially faced with challenges while implementing its ERP system, but later it adopted a phased rollout strategy and came up with a meticulous business plan, gave rigorous training for its employees, and gave sufficient time for the implementation of the ERP system. On the other hand, Hershey's fail story is a classical example of why critical elements of the ERP implementation shouldn't be overlooked. Hershey's fail story is attributed to poor testing, insufficient time, and also doesn't give a rigorous training for its employees for the implementation of the ERP system. That's all for today, and thank you for watching the video till the end. In today's session, we talked about the introduction to ERP system, key decisions we have to make while implementing an ERP system, and challenges in ERP implementation. And if you'd like to know more about the real-life examples that we have discussed, we would like to make another video in it. And don't forget to write your suggestions, questions, and any requests on the comment section down below. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you on another video. Bye.